I mark and then I cut what I will use for the top part of the tray. I apply double-sided tape and use a straight edge to make sure my stock is parallel to my CNC router. The milling process started. First the handle slots and then the curve cuts. At the end, these cuts did not work as expected, as I did not have time to let the glue set. At this point, the gantry of the CNC got stuck with the cables of the board. I had to stop the machine and continue with the project in the table saw. I make sure to square up all the sides of the top of the tray with the table saw to the final width. I got the corner fillet I wanted onto a piece of paper and then went ahead and transferred it to each corner. After that, I shaped each one with the sander. Now it was time to do the sides and the legs on the CNC. All seemed to go fine, except I forgot to cut some additional holes in each leg and 2 angle stops, which I did behind camera. With all the parts cutted, I did some light sanding and glued the legs with the angle stops. Since I could not bend the handles properly, I decided to paint the curve black and use it as a little accent to the tray. It took me like forever to clean this mess up, but in the end, it all worked out. Here I'm gonna assemble the sides with the legs by putting some dowels and cut them flush. I finish assembling the legs with the long dowels to make sure the legs will fold together, And from here I just clean a little bit and proceed to do the final finish.